Hey guys, welcome back to Barker's Nerf channel. So a few days ago I unboxed a box from Out of Darts, and it contained these worker boxes you see in front of me, and that is all that is needed to take a common stock stryfe like I've got here and upgrade it. So obviously it's a mod kit for the externals, but I'm also going to be upgrading the internals, and unfortunately that is not a kit that I've just purchased. This is going to require some wiring, putting in motors, putting in a new cage, so it's going to be some exciting stuff, and I'll be releasing these videos over the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested in this, then subscribe to this channel and watch this space, because that's what we will be doing here.